Welcome to China Connect. We're your fun passport to China's best, living, traveling, working, and more. Dive in, explore, and discover China now. Let's go! Today we're going to dive even deeper into a fascinating transformation that's happening in the world of manufacturing. We'll be exploring the rise of intelligent manufacturing and how Dongguan's first 100 billion town is about to emerge. This game-changing phenomenon is taking place in Chang'an Town, Dongguan, Guangdong, and it's an inspiring story of innovation, hard work, and collaboration. Chang'an Town is already a powerhouse, boasting a GDP of 89.518 billion yuan in 2022. It's known as the #1 town in Dongguan and the #1 town of smartphones. This impressive reputation is due to the town's robust electronic information and hardware mold industries. To make the leap to the 100 billion town status, the local government has planned 5 ambitious routes. Let's take a closer look at each of these routes and uncover the secrets behind Chang'an Town's success. The first route involves expanding the available space for continued growth, which is crucial for attracting new businesses and accommodating existing ones. The local government is accelerating the integration of about 4 million square meters of headquarters industrial space, providing ample room for existing and new businesses to grow. This expansion will facilitate the development of cutting-edge research facilities and state-of-the-art manufacturing plants. In addition, they're launching about 1.34 million square meters of platform-based industrial space to further support industry expansion. This new space will allow for the development of specialized industrial parks, fostering collaboration and innovation among different industries. The massive expansion will give companies the room they need to innovate and scale up their operations, ultimately contributing to the town's economic growth. While Chang'an Town is already a leader in electronic information and hardware mold industries, they're not resting on their laurels. The government aims to strengthen these industries and cultivate 3 new emerging industries: intelligent vision, new energy supporting, and electronic healthcare. By diversifying their industrial landscape, the town hopes to achieve a total output value of over 300 billion yuan in just 2 years. Intelligent vision focuses on the development of advanced cameras, sensors, and imaging technology, while new energy supporting encompasses the production of batteries, charging infrastructure, and other components for electric vehicles. Electronic healthcare, on the other hand, involves the manufacturing of medical devices and equipment, as well as the development of digital health solutions. By investing in these cutting-edge industries, Chang'an Town is positioning itself as a global leader in technology and innovation. A key component of Chang'an Town's success is its focus on attracting and nurturing top talent. They plan to double their current number of 180,000 high-level talents in 2 years, creating a hotbed of innovation and expertise. This impressive talent pool will include experts in a wide range of fields, from engineering and computer science to design and marketing. To support this influx of talent, the town will invest in the development of skilled craftsmen among the over 500,000 young industrial workers. By prioritizing education and training, Chang'an Town is ensuring a bright future for its workforce and industries. This commitment to talent development will help the town remain competitive in the global market and foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Collaboration is at the heart of Chang'an Town's strategy. They plan to work closely with high-quality private enterprises and social capital to create a better business environment and provide higher-quality public services. By fostering strong relationships between businesses, the government, and the community, Chang'an Town is building a sustainable and thriving economy. This collaborative approach extends beyond the town's borders, as Chang'an Town actively seeks partnerships with other leading global technology hubs. By exchanging knowledge, resources, and expertise with other innovation centers, the town is further solidifying its position as a global player in the technology and manufacturing sectors. Protecting innovation is essential for continued growth, and Chang'an Town is committed to promoting the accumulation of patents and intellectual property rights. As they move toward high-quality development, this focus on protecting ideas and inventions will ensure that Chang'an Town remains a hub of innovation and success. By encouraging businesses to file for patents and protect their intellectual property, the town is fostering a competitive environment where companies can continue to develop groundbreaking products and services. This commitment to innovation is a key driver of Chang'an Town's continued success and growth. Chang'an Town is already home to the world's largest electronic information and smartphone manufacturing base, producing an astounding 195 smartphones per minute on average. With a complete smartphone industry chain, this town has grown alongside its supporting enterprises. For instance, Huamao Electronic Group in Chang'an Town produces tens of millions of phone frames every month and has developed long-term cooperative relationships with smartphone brands like Oppo and Vivo. Another key industry in Chang'an Town is the hardware and decoration sector. Hong Kong businessman Choi Ho-shing has invested in 2 factories in the town and praises the area for its move toward high-end intelligent manufacturing in the industrial sector. This burgeoning industry is a testament to the town's commitment to innovation and its ability to attract investment from around the world. Currently, there are 4 100 billion towns in mainland China, and it looks like Chang'an Town is well on its way to becoming the next one. As we watch this fascinating transformation unfold, it's a testament to the power of a strong local economy, innovative thinking, and collaborative efforts. The success of Chang'an Town is a shining example of what can be achieved when a community comes together to support innovation and growth. By embracing cutting-edge industries, investing in talent development, and fostering a culture of collaboration, this town is creating a blueprint for other communities to follow. So there you have it, brothers. The rise of intelligent manufacturing and Dongguan's first 100 billion town is on the horizon, and it's going to be amazing. Keep an eye on Chang'an Town to see the incredible things that come out of this ambitious endeavor. Thanks for exploring China with us. Smash that like button, comment, and share. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or ideas below. Together, let's showcase this amazing nation. Catch you in the next video.